everyone, welcome to our second SI session video. I would like to say happy St. Patrick's Day. Don't forget to wear something green. So in our SI session video today, we will learn useful tips for writing a good rough draft essay. So that will be reviewing essay structure and outline. Then we will talk about making flashcards for the vocabulary words. Remember, we have 10 vocabulary words which we have to learn. That's a new thing. Then we will talk about homework, what's due homework, and then I will introduce a new study skill. Essay structure and the new study skill. Our new study skill before we talk about essay is called memory cards. We use flashcards for memory cards. Now, instead of using your flashcards just at home to make notes or vocabulary word cards, you can use flashcards in class. Again, I repeat, in class. It's very important to remember because a lot of students underestimate the opportunities you have with flashcards. Now, in one of the classes we talked about outline. That was the first time it was introduced, and I made an outline flashcard. How do you know what is important in a class? What if, your notes don't seem to have anything what you would want to put on a note card? The key is, anything what's on the board should go in your note cards. If the teacher writes something down, it's probably important. Don't forget to include any page numbers from a book. If we refer to a book, write it down. If there's a title, write it down. If there's anything else what will help to get your reference, write it down. Now we're going to use this flashcard I made in class for our essay structure. Feel free to write anything you want down. Hey guys, so here's my outline, and feel free to write down everything you want from it. I will keep this outline for a few seconds, and this is just purely for note taking and review. I'll proceed with actual essay structure in a second. Introduction. Summary equals no opinion plus main ideas of your reading. At this time, food rules. Lead-in sentence equals transition between no opinion to opinion. Explain how the book relates to you. Thesis statement, your personal opinion plus argument equals main ideas of the entire essay. Body. Topic sentence equals opinion plus argument, which means main ideas of the paragraph. 5 or more details. These are just some ideas for guidance purposes only. A. Introduce the rule you like or do not like. B. Explain the rule. C. Give real-life examples of the rule. D. Why you like the rule. E. How you will change your diet or break the rule. Closing sentence equals summarized ideas plus final thoughts of the paragraph. Conclusion. A. Summarize the main ideas of your essay. Remember, do not repeat yourself. It is your last chance to get your point across to the reader. B. Analyze your diet. Is it healthy or is it not healthy? Evaluate it in comparison to the book. C. Predictions. D. Recommendations. E. Lesson learned. F. Final thoughts. Flashcards. For making flashcards, we will need flashcards, highlighters, and a pen. Let's imagine we do not know what an apple means. So we want to make a word card for apple. As shown in the picture, I wrote an apple on one of the flashcard sides. For that, you will need a pen or a choice of a highlighter. If we reverse the paper, as you see in my other photo, we want to write down the definition of apple. It's useful to draw a picture if you can draw that thing. In this case, apple, most of us can draw that. And we want to give a one-sentence example. In my example, I say an apple is a fruit. I drew an apple And my sentence says Sally bought 2 apples. Now the reason we want to give so many examples on one side and only the word on the other side is so that we could, without looking, try to remember the meaning of the word. Imagine if we had an apple written on the same side as the examples, we would not be able to practice. Homework. Due Monday, you have first, rough draft essay. Second, print out of your essay for peer editing. Third, 5 RFU cards for your reading lab. For Wednesday, you have got final essay due. That's it for today, and I hope to see you all tomorrow.